Imagine a blockchain where privacy and transparency work hand in hand. Vitalik Buterin predicts zk-EVMs will be Ethereum's main validation method by 2027 to 2030. He highlights that zk-EVMs and data availability sampling are already live or production ready, aiming to solve the blockchain trilemma. This shift could boost network capacity, lower congestion, and make fees more stable, marking a new era for Ethereum and zero-knowledge proof technology. A new wave of malware is silently draining Android users' bank accounts worldwide, targeting over 60 financial institutions. The Android/bankbot-YNRK Trojan spreads through fake apps mimicking Google News, stealing funds and crypto wallet data by hijacking device controls. Cybersecurity experts urge users to only download apps from trusted sources to avoid severe financial loss. Bitfarms is leaving Latin America after selling its 70 megawatts Paraguay mining site for $30 million, marking a major pivot. The company will now concentrate on North American high-performance computing and AI infrastructure, planning to phase out Bitcoin mining by 2027. This move aligns with a broader trend as crypto miners adapt to rising energy costs and shifting market demands. After a record $4.57 billion outflow from Bitcoin ETFs in November and December 2025, the first trading day of 2026 saw a dramatic reversal with $471 million in new inflows. BlackRock's IBIT led the surge, while Bitcoin prices recovered above $90,000, and Ethereum ETFs also attracted fresh capital. This shift signals renewed institutional interest and highlights the volatility and rapid sentiment changes in the crypto ETF market. Nearly 40% of top Bitcoin Treasury companies are trading at a discount to their net asset value, signaling a major loss of market confidence. This shift means these firms can no longer raise capital without hurting shareholders, echoing the Grayscale trust collapse. As consolidation looms, only the strongest will survive this shakeout. Aave Labs just reversed course, announcing plans to share external revenue with Aave token holders after intense DAO disputes. The move aims to ease tensions over brand control and fee distribution, as Aave eyes expansion into real-world assets and institutional finance. Aave's price rebounded 10% on the news, but questions over long-term governance and brand ownership remain unresolved. Memecoin prices are exploding as 2026 kicks off, with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe leading a $48.4 billion rally. Whale accumulation and surging trading volumes have pushed Dogecoin up 10%, Shiba Inu 9%, and Pepe 17% in just 24 hours. Analysts point to renewed investor sentiment and capital rotation into high-volatility sectors as key drivers behind this memecoin frenzy. A major shift in U.S. crypto policy could be on the horizon, as the Trump administration backs tax exemptions for small Bitcoin transactions. If passed, everyday purchases, like coffee or groceries with crypto, could go tax-free, making digital assets more practical for daily use. This move aims to lower barriers and encourage wider adoption of cryptocurrencies in real-world payments. Grayscale forecasts Bitcoin could reach a new all-time high by March 2026, fueled by clearer regulations and global economic changes. Key drivers include bipartisan U.S. market structure legislation, weakening fiat currencies, and increasing institutional demand. With ETF adoption accelerating and the crypto market maturing, Bitcoin's position as digital gold is expected to solidify. Bitcoin ATM scams have surged, with losses hitting a record $333 million in 2025, according to the FBI. Over 10,000 victims, mainly older adults, were targeted by scammers impersonating banks or companies, urging them to deposit funds into Bitcoin ATMs. Authorities warn that losses have more than doubled since 2022, highlighting the urgent need for vigilance in crypto transactions. Hyperliquid's founder has blocked market makers to ensure the DEX remains credibly neutral, with no private investors or protocol fees. Despite this strict fairness stance, Hyperliquid's market share has dropped sharply from 75% to just 19% as rivals like Lighter gain ground. The move highlights the ongoing tension between decentralization ideals and competitive pressures in the DeFi space. Solana's tokenized assets just hit a record $873 million, signaling a major shift in institutional finance. U.S. Treasury-backed products and tokenized equities like Tesla and Nvidia are fueling this growth, with over 126,000 holders now on the network. Regulatory approvals and enterprise adoption, including Western Union's stablecoin platform, are pushing Solana to the forefront of blockchain-based traditional finance.